In today's video, I'm going to teach you 2 ways to customize reports in Xero, a popular online accounting software that's favored by many business owners and financial professionals for its user-friendly interface and robust features. Customizing reports in Xero can give you more control and help you generate insights tailored to your specific business needs. So, whether you're just getting started or looking to enhance your accounting skills, let's dive right in. To begin customizing your reports, you'll start by navigating to the top of your Xero dashboard. Here, you'll see a menu labeled Reporting. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of options. From this menu, you'll want to select All Reports. This will take you to the main reports page where you have access to a wide range of report types. Choose the report you wish to customize. It might take a brief moment for the report to load, so just hold tight. Once your report is fully loaded, you'll see a variety of tools available above the report itself. These tools are specifically designed to help you tailor the report to meet your specific needs. You can change the date range to focus the report on a specific time period, which can be handy for quarterly reviews or end-of-year summaries. If certain columns contain information that isn't relevant to you, such as specific financial metrics or time periods, you have the option to add or remove them as you see fit. Additionally, Xero offers comparison tools, which can be particularly valuable if you're comparing data across different time frames or business metrics. Keep in mind, the customization options can vary based on the type of report you've chosen, so feel free to explore and see what suits your needs best. Now, if you're looking to delve even deeper into customization, Xero also provides a more advanced method. Once your report is open, head to the bottom left corner of the screen, where you'll find the option labeled Edit Layout. Clicking on this takes you to a more detailed customization panel. Here, you have the flexibility to manually edit each line and the data included in the report. This feature is particularly useful for creating custom lines and formulas that aren't available in the standard report format. This can be highly beneficial for scenarios where standard reports don't fully capture the nuances of your business operations. You have the power to craft a truly unique report that provides the insights you need. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at 2 practical methods for customizing reports in Xero. By taking advantage of these options, you'll optimize how you analyze and present your business data, ultimately aiding in more informed decision-making. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it encourages you to explore the customization capabilities within Xero further. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time with more tips and tricks.